Our gas-entrapping microtextured surfaces, or GEMS, they can then trap air on immersion in liquids, regardless of their surface chemistry. That's why we think that this approach has a tremendous potential for applications that otherwise require perfluorinated coatings.
Unlike 3D printing and other conventional manufacturing techniques, photolithography and dry etching allows us to fabricate complex, micro-scale, overhanging, reentrant and doubly reentrant topographies.
First-time users should use practice wafers and periodically check the etching rates for each type of design before attempting an experiment, as the rate might change with sample size.
Fabrication of reentrant and doubly reentrant pillars and cavities is a multi-step process that involves intricate design patterns. Visual demonstration of the microfabrication steps will help with understanding the protocol.
Start the microfabrication process by creating a new file in an appropriate layout software program. Draw a unit cell comprising a 200 micrometer diameter circle. Copy-paste this circle with a center-to-center distance of 212 micrometers to create an array of circles in a square patch with a 1 centimeter squared area. Next, draw a 100 millimeter diameter circle and place the 1 centimeter squared square array inside the circle. Replicate this arrangement to create a 4x4 grid of square arrays. The features inside the circle will be transferred onto the 4-inch wafers. Then export the design file to the desired format for the mask writing system. To clean wafers for the